Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.1. And in this session, we will see how we can add repositories in our VM. So basically, what are the repositories? So repository, it is a kind of you know file, or you can say it is a packages from which you can install, update, uninstall, or maybe upgrade your all the packages, right? So if you want to install or maybe uninstall, maybe update, upgrade any kind of packages, so yes, you need a repository. So there are two kind of repositories in Linux operating system. So first of all, we will just go through the local repository. So first of all, you need to add a ISO file with your VM. So let me just check, is it connected or not? So no, it's not connected. Please make sure you are just going to the settings and is it available or not. So at the time of creation of your VM, we added a ISO file in this VM. So yes, we can just go to the CD DVD and we can connect. So once you connect, you will see the changes in your file explorer. So just go to the directory and you will see the RHEL 9.1, and you need to just copy, and you can just paste this directories into where or maybe www. If www it's not there, so you can also paste it into the slash opt, right? In my case, I am having the same, so I'm just going back to the www and html. So I will add one directory name packages. Please make sure the packages name capital P, and then all the letters are in small, or you can say the lowercase. And I'll just paste all the directories which I have copied into the packages directory. So it will take some time. So we will wait for a while and then we will continue. Okay, so you can see that our directories has been pasted into the said directories. So yes, it's done. And please make sure this process is for the local repository file. So now I'm just going back to the computer directory and you can just go to etc, which is a system configuration files. All the system configuration files will be here. So I'm just going back to the last directory, and that will be yum.repos.d, and you can just open in terminal and vi space yum.repo. So please make sure that you are adding a correct syntax. So first of all, you need to give ID. Second, you need to give name, enable. So it will enable your repository. GPG check if you want to secure your repository with encryption. So yes, you can enable that thing as well. But right now I'm just going simple process. So base URL file colon double slash and then our path of that particular packages. So slash where slash www slash html slash capital P and packages slash app stream. Please make sure there is a case sensitivity, so please make sure that you are spell correctly. Same for the other one, base OS, the name you can give base OS, then enable equal to 1, GPG equal to 0, then base URL. Please make sure that you are spell correct everything in this file because it is case sensitive. So I'm just saving this file and yum repo, or you can clean all actually. So everything caches will be removed and then yum space repo list. So now you can see that our repository is there, and for testing purpose, I can install the tweak tool genome -twix. Let me just check, is it installing or not? So yeah, it's installing. So that means uh, our repository is working fine, and yes, you will get the tweak tool which you are installing. So that is the process, that how we can create our local repository and how we can install the local repository. But the other thing, if you are going with extra packages repository, so yes, you can just go with your Google Chrome and you can add your EPEL9 repository. So let me just show you. So this is Fedora docs. So yes, you can copy your link. So in my case, I am just copying CentOS. Yeah, this one. So you can just copy this command and you can just paste it down. So after this, you will get the extra packages repositories in your VM. It is asking you. So yes, I'll give the input as in Y. So that means yes. So it will install the extra packages enterprise Linux repositories as well. So let me show you that how we can verify and how we can identify. So yum clean all, then I will show you yum repo list. So now you will get EPEL as well. Yeah, you can see that. So this is the process, that how we can add local repositories and the EPEL repositories in our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.1.